we will study about the sand testing. And sand testing is basically is a process which is used to determine that the foundry sand has the correct properties for certain casting process. And as you all know that all these properties affect the quality of the casting. So before making the sand mold, or before performing the casting, you should have idea that what is the level of property of my molding sand. And there are different types of tests which are carried out in order to find out the properties, or to control the properties. Though, so the first test is the moisture content test. So you all know that moisture. What is moisture? Moisture is defined as the amount of water present in the molding sand. And low moisture content in the molding sand does not develop the strength property. And however, higher moisture content, it decreases the permeability. And also the higher moisture content will lead to the generation of steam and gases which can produce the porosity. So this is the role of moisture content. And what is the process? So process is simply the weight measurement method. And this procedure involves that first you take 20 to 50 gram of prepared sand. Prepared sand means that sand which is having the clay content, binder, and water contents. So this is you take a small quantity of prepared sand, and it is placed in a pan. And then this pan is placed in a oven which is having an infrared heater or heating bulb. And then you heat it for 2 to 3 minutes, or maximum up to 5 minutes, so that it will liberate all the moisture from the molding sand. And this molding sand is taken out of the pan and reweighed. So what you do that, first you take some quantity of the prepared sand, and then you measure the weight. And then after this evaporation and baking of the molding sand, you again reweight the sand contents. And the percentage of the moisture can be calculated from the difference in the weight of the original moist and dried sand sample. So then we can learn about this clay content test. So clay is a very important ingredient of your prepared sand, and it influences the strength, permeability, and other molding properties. And as because it is responsible for the bonding of sand particles together. So the process is very simple. It's very simple that you first take a small quantity, say 50 grams of dry molding sand, and then you transfer it in a wash bottle. Basically, wash bottle.
ब्लूटूथ ऑन कर रखा है या पोटी कर ले तेरी निकल जाएगी एक मिनट आज पर वो देखती पे बाबूजी घर पर है कहा था ना मेरा अकाउंट बंद हो जाएगा तो आपका अकाउंट बंद हो जाएगा
Or some motor driven stirrer. And after agitation for 10 minutes, you fill the your wash bottle with the again with some water.
Baba momos yummy
for the test. And then W2 is the weight in grams of dried uh, sand samples which
Sir,
are from clay.
excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, your voice was not clear. It was lagging, sir.
my voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. It is lagging, sir. And some other voice is coming out from there, sir.
Mm, so is this particular problem is also faced by other students? Okay, I think maybe it is due to some connectivity issue. I have been facing connectivity issue for past 4 or 5 days. There is no other video. There is no other audio from my side. I think it is maybe due to some connectivity issue. Now, now is there any problem in the voice? Okay, it's fine. Or still some disturbance. Okay, shall we proceed? Okay, so let me revise this procedure again. So this clay content test can easily be performed by taking a small quantity of prepared sand mold, and that quantity is about 50 grams. And then you take this dry molding sand into a wash bottle. It is basically standard bottle or standard beaker, and then you add some 475 ml of distilled water plus 25 ml of 33% NaOH solution. So this 3% Na solution means approximately 30 grams of NaOH in the distilled water. And then you agitate this mixture for at least 10 minutes with the help of a mechanical stirrer or any stirrer which is driven with motor. And in the next step, you fill this wash bottle with the distilled water again up to a predefined marker. And then you allow this mixture to settle down for at least 10 minutes. And after that, you siphon out the water from the wash bottle. And in the last step, dry the settled down sand. And then you repeat this process from 1 to 7 up to 5 times till the water becomes clear. And the clay content can be determined from the differences in weights of the initial and final sand samples. So this clay content can be calculated with this formula W1 minus W2 upon W1 into 100. So W1 and W2 are the weights before the test and after performing the process 1 to 7. This steps for at least 5 times, and the differences in the weight you can easily calculate the clay content percentage. So, if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching my videos.